Welcome back to the channel. So in a previous video, I showed you how you can make money from walking tours with a DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Now I will link both of those videos on the screen now, and you can go ahead and watch those if you haven't already. So the idea behind today's video is I want to show you how, I think it was a couple of questions I'd been asked in the comment section of the previous two videos, and it was how do you go about recording sound on your walking tours. The sound, as you probably know already, is pretty bad if you're outside with the Osmo Pocket 3. You do have your microphones here and here, but as soon as you get wind on those, then it's going to ruin your sound completely. So the way I go about recording my sound is as follows. I've picked up one of these cages for the Pocket 3. So this is a little cage, and the Pocket 3 just goes inside here like so. So that's quite neat on there. And then what this gives you is a little cold shoe on the side here. So you can then DJI Mic 2, that will fit nicely in there like that. So with the additional battery grip, you can then hold your camera like so, and you can record sound even in the wind, and this little wind defender, wind muff, will eliminate all the wind sounds. Now, the other thing you can do is, if you wanted to record sound in stereo, you could then have an additional DJI Mic 2, and then you could connect that to the left and right, so you would just find somewhere for this to go. But my issue is, this is quite a big microphone, and my solution to this method of recording in stereo is to use the DJI Mic Mini. Now this is, as you can see, it's quite a lot smaller than DJI Mic 2. And you can pair this whilst you have a DJI Mic 2 paired as well. So my suggestion and how I do this if I'm recording stereo is, this mic placement, it goes on to a baseball cap. So I'm wearing a baseball cap and I want my right channel. So I literally just clip my mic on the side of my baseball cap like so. And then we have our left and right microphone recording in stereo, and that works incredibly well. How do you go about recording your sound? Do you record like this? Do you place your mic somewhere else? I'm eager to hear your comments. I'll list those two other videos on the screen again now, so you can watch those. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know how it goes with your walking tour videos. I'm eager to find out how you're all getting on. So until the next video, I will see you then. Bye for now.